Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to get a Roku pin. Let's go. What is the pin code for? For subscription, purchases, or for installing applications, as well as for parental control. To enable the pin code, open the Roku app. Settings, pin settings, enable pin code where needed, change pin, create pin, save. Let's check it out. That's it. Now you know how to get a Roku pin. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.